Ayan guys, okay na yung car. Ayan, nakarent na kami ng car.
Okay.
All is fine?
Yep.
Okay.
So what do we do? Oh, turn it on. Okay, so the boxy maybe or the box. Oh, wait, the box, right?
The box. Yeah, much better the box now because now is Friday.
The bike to sell, right?
Yeah. Ayan guys, nakarenta kami ng car. Ayan sa Avis, tapos na. Mamaya babalik kami dito, mamaya maglalakad lang kami. Tapos ngayon,
Oh, because the dollar doesn't let you drop at the airport.
yes.
And we need to go to the airport.
I know. Ayan.
Walking.
Yeah, we have planned to do the taxi, but we scared because maybe he don't show up, and then we're late in the airport.
No, really very early. Like
I know. Our flight is 8 a.m. so we leave. We need to leave early, like 6 a.m. in the morning. Abe, right. Ayan, kaya nag-rent lang kami ng car guys, just in case, para hindi kami malate. Ayan. Tapos ngayon pupunta kami sa sa BALIKBAYAN box, the box.
What happened?
We send that first or GT? I think the box first.
Yeah, this is the box first.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, pupunta kami sa
this is like-
sa Yumak. I call Yumak.
And then for the special, they had a special. They use
Really?
in the box, and you told me that Forex.
Yeah, but I think that's the different company.
Oh, Forex different company.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Remember, this is Yumak.
Oh, Human and Forex are two different companies. Oh. I see.
Yeah. And guys, yun nga. And guys, babalik lang po kami mamaya, okay? Bye-bye!
Only got one chance.
Ayan guys, nandito na po kami sa sa Yumak. Ayan. Ilalagay ko lang yung dito. Ayan.
You open the door.
Yeah, wait. I need
You need what?
wait. I need cash.
Yeah, just open the door first. I'm gonna hold it. Here's a GTA right here.
Really? Yeah.
So let's see if it's something.
Ayan guys, tapos na po tayo. Ayan. Ayan, okay na lahat. All is fine. Everything is prime.
Prime.
Prime. Look. Ayan, okay na tayo guys. So next, what is our next?
Next stop is
GTA?
the GTA, and
Yeah.
then don't forget return this car by 6.
Yeah.
Return the car because we forget. I'm gonna forget the Amy's car.
Oh.
You know, so much stuff in my head. You know, if I know I had done it, you know, early this morning.
Yeah. Ayan guys, pupunta po
wanted to
kami
go-
sa GTA.
Oh, that's a
Ayan.
big.
1, 2, 3, go! Boom. Ayan guys, tapos na po kami pumunta sa sa GTA. Ayan. Ngayon po is papunta na po kami sa rent car na sa dollar. Dollar? Dollar.
Rent.
Dollar rent. Ayan. Ayan, pupunta na kami doon. Ayan.
Dollar rent a car.
Dollar?
Dollar rent a car.
Oh. Ayan.
Now we have to walk.
Yeah. Isolin namin itong car na ito. Isolin namin doon. Tapos mamaya, pagbalik namin, lalakad kami dyan guys. Lalakad kami. Papunta doon. Ayan. Mga 10 minutes, right? Or less. Go happy.
I don't know. Maybe 5 minutes.
Or
Maybe
less.
6, 7 minutes.
Ayan. Mamaya, lalakad kami mamaya dito. Ayan.
Depends how far you walk too.
I know. Look, the sun. So bright. Like, bruh! There. Ang laki ng building.
I think the class are waiting for us
I know.
to be outside so they can get us back.
Hopefully
It's
no.
watching us. So I
Ayan.
cannot get them back.
Ayan guys, nandyan lang yung yung rent car. Nandyan lang yung dollar na Tapos may lakad kami dyan. Ayan. Ayan guys, nandito na po kami sa sa rent car. Ayan. Sinauli na namin yung yung car. Tapos hintay lang namin yung deposit kukunin lang namin. Ayan.
Hi, let's get together.
Hi guys, tapos na po kami nagbayad. Ayan. Nandito na po kami sa labas. Ayan, ito yung yung dollar na na rent car. Ayan, nag-rent kami diyan ng mga almost 1 month, right? Actually, it's 1 month. Yeah, because binintay namin yung guys, bumili kami, we buy a new car and then we sell again because we change our plan. Tapos ngayon guys, nandito kami ngayon. Hello. Ayan. We change our plan, that's why we sell because it's so difficult. So yeah. Ayan. Tapos ngayon, ayan, nandito na kami sa sa labas. Lakad kami papunta doon sa sa kabila din na rin car. Ayan. So ayun na guys. Ayun na nga. Maglalakad muna kami guys ha. Ayan guys, nandito pa rin kami guys, naglalakad. Ayan, look. Make me shine, shine. Still walking here. Ayan, I think it's like Ayan guys, nandito na po kami sa ano, sa rent car.
That car that we rented?